Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to enable Outlook notifications on Android. I missed an important email once because Outlook notifications weren't showing on my Android, so I had to fix it quickly. What I did first was open my phone settings, then went into notifications and looked for Outlook in the app list. Once I found it, I made sure notifications were turned on because sometimes they're disabled without you realizing it. After that, I opened the Outlook app itself, tapped my profile icon, and went into settings inside the app. From there, I selected notifications and made sure it was set to notify me for all emails, or at least important ones. I also checked that battery saver or background restrictions weren't limiting Outlook, since Android sometimes blocks app from running properly in the background. Once everything was enabled, emails started coming through instantly again. Honestly, it's one of those small settings that makes a big difference because missing emails is never fun. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.